In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get cloud storage on laptop and PC. So the first thing you may want to do is choose a cloud storage service like OneDrive or Google Drive or Dropbox. All of these let you store files online and access them from anywhere. One of the best choices is Google Drive. Now here, all you have to do is start uploading your files and folders by pressing the new button. So here you can either choose file upload or folder upload depending on what you want to upload, or simply drag and drop any file on your drive. The files or folders will then automatically upload to the cloud, and here with this, you can now access them anytime from your PC or any device. So for Google Drive, the free storage they offer is about 15 gig, but you also have an option to upgrade if you need more space. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!